How to use Klarna Visa card. So there are many ways to use the Klarna Visa card. So once you get your one-time card in Klarna by finding the retailer, you can now use the physical or digital card of Klarna. So first activate the card, then add it to your digital wallet. Then you can also shop online. So by typing the card details at online checkout, you can use it like a physical or digital card if available. And then you can also shop in stores using your physical card or the digital card in your wallet for contactless payments. You can also manage your payments, which will be handled by the payment processing and present you with your payment plan options. So there's how important notes do you need to consider. So for online purchases, Klarna may automatically detect the card payment or you may need to manually enter the details. And for in-store purchases, you need to ensure the retailer accepts the Klarna payments before attempting to use the card. And for the payment plans, you need to check the offers which Klarna offers for various payment plans like the pay in 3, pay in 4, or financing options. So you need to choose the one that best suits your need. And make sure to have the reminders to set it and then avoid late fees.